Vadnagar, a quaint town nestled in Mehsana district of Gujarat, has gained global recognition as the birthplace of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. However, its historical significance and cultural richness extend far beyond this association. This ancient city, once a bustling trading center, boasts a captivating past that offers a glimpse into India's diverse heritage. One of the most prominent landmarks in Vadnagar is Sri Hatkeshwar Mahadev Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. This magnificent temple, known for its intricate carvings and architectural beauty, is a testament to the town's rich cultural heritage. The temple's peaceful ambience and spiritual significance make it a popular pilgrimage site for devotees.
तो पुरातत्व खाता ने बताया कि 2200 साल पहले का ये मंदिर है और अभी जो कलयुग में 2016 में 11 में मोदी साहब ने ये सब वडनगर को पर्यटन क्षेत्र में रख दिया, तो ये 19 करोड़ दे के जगह का विकास किया और अभी भी थोड़ा काम चालू है। और ये हाटकेश्वर का सुवर्ण यानी ऐश्वर्य, तो ये हाटकेश्वर महादेव है वो ऐश्वर्य देने वाले हैं।
A serene oasis amidst the bustling town is the historic Sharmishta Lake, which offers a tranquil escape. Surrounded by lush greenery, the lake is a perfect spot for visitors. Just near the lake is a captivating theme park dedicated to Indian musical ragas that offers a unique experience. The lake's tranquil waters and the theme park offer a serene atmosphere that is ideal for relaxation. A visitor said he has witnessed significant development in the town in recent years.
तो हम देख रहे हैं कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है और अभी जो है इलेक्ट्रीफाइड रूट और मेन लाइन पर भी आ रहा है और गवर्नमेंट का प्रपोजल है कि इसी लाइन को ये तरंगा हिल्स मेहसाना जो अभी है इसको आगे एक्सटेंड करते हुए अंबाजी होकर के ये आबू रोड से वो मिलाएंगे उसमें, तो उससे इस एरिया में टूरिज़्म काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा।
Just a few meters away from the lake, a towering triumphal arch, Kirti Toran, stands as a symbol of Vadnagar's historical significance and is a must-visit attraction for tourists. This stunning structure, dating back to the 12th century, was built during the reign of the Chalukya dynasty. The arch is adorned with intricate carvings depicting Hindu deities, mythological scenes, and royal figures, showcasing the exquisite craftsmanship of its time. In the early 2000s, the Gujarat State Archaeology Department unearthed a significant piece of history, ruins of a Buddhist monastery in Vadnagar. This discovery marked the town as a pivotal center for Buddhism. The journey to uncover Vadnagar's Buddhist heritage began in 1992 with the findings of a Bodhisattva idol, subsequently leading to the revelation of a trove of artifacts from both the town and its surroundings. From deep archaeological excavations at Vadnagar, a consortium of scientists from IIT Kharagpur, Archaeological Survey of India, and many other concerned institutions have also found evidence of a human settlement in the town that is as old as 800 BCE. Presently, work is underway at the site with utmost care to create an experiential museum. Professor Anindya Sarkar from IIT Kharagpur said the museum will chronicle the town's evolution over 2,500 years, exploring 7 distinct cultural periods.
During these excavation, something like 7 cultural layers were found, and each of these cultural layers were characterized by their different kinds of cultural elements, like for example potteries, like coins. And when we joined the excavation of Vadnagar, we wanted to know the chronology of the Vadnagar, that how old the city is, and the oldest layer which we define as period 1, it gave us a date of something like 800 BCE, that means almost 2800 years old, and that surprised us very much.
Going ahead, a charming addition to Vadnagar's cityscape, the museum clock tower and art gallery stands tall as a symbol of the town's progress. Visitors can explore the museum to learn more about Vadnagar's past and its significance in the broader context of Indian history. The museum houses different sections on the religions, the rulers and legends associated with Vadnagar, along with a section on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's childhood.
यहाँ पे ये पूरी आर्ट गैलरी में दिखाया गया है, जैसे कौन से धर्म यहाँ पे रह चुके हैं, शिव धर्म, बौद्ध, जैन, वैष्णव, ये सब धर्म यहाँ पे रह चुके हैं। सोलंकी वंश का शासन रह चुका है, जैसे बार बार आक्रमण हुए तो 7 पार्ट्स कैसे निकले हुए हैं, तो ये सब यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है। ताना और रीरी ने जो मल्हार राग गाया था उनका म्यूज़िक भी यहाँ पर है। 2 प्रोजेक्टर है जिनके बारे में यहाँ पे वडनगर की कई सारी हिस्ट्री से पता चलती है, जैसे कि मोदी जी का बचपन कैसे बीता था, ये सब यहाँ पे बताया जाता है।
Beyond its association with PM Modi, Vadnagar is a treasure trove of historical and cultural significance. Its ancient temples, serene lakes and historical landmarks offer a captivating glimpse into India's past.